पेनांग रोड शो टू इंडिया 2026 के 9वें एडिशन से भारत और मलेशिया के बीच टूरिज्म और बिजनेस इवेंट्स को नया आयाम मिलने जा रहा है। सिंपली पेनांग थीम के तहत यह रोड शो 19 से 27 जनवरी तक मुंबई, नई दिल्ली, कोच्चि और चेन्नई में आयोजित किया जा रहा है, जिसमें 800 से अधिक बिजनेस बायर्स और 100 से ज्यादा मीडिया प्रतिनिधि शामिल होंगे। नवंबर 2025 तक भारत से 42,000 से ज्यादा पर्यटक पेनांग पहुंचे, जिससे भारत पेनांग के टॉप 6 इंटरनेशनल सोर्स मार्केट में शामिल हो गया है। भारतीय नागरिकों के लिए 2026 तक वीजा फ्री एंट्री और विजिट मलेशिया ईयर 2026 के चलते पेनांग को टूरिज्म और इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस इवेंट्स का बड़ा हब बनाने की दिशा में यह रोड शो एक अहम कदम माना जा रहा है।
Penang Convention Exhibition Bureau, and this is our 9th edition and 9 years conducting this Penang Road Show to India, and we're very happy to be in New Delhi once again. And the Indian market has grown tremendously for Penang over this 9 years, and that shows our seriousness of why we want to be back to this market, and it is one of the main contributors, the top 6 market segments for Penang. And this year we've come up with the theme Simply Penang, because the varieties of options that is available for any form of tourist from India, catering to a solo traveler, to honeymooners, to family travelers, or even business travelers for that extent. And it's a very significant year this year for us, because it is also Visit Malaysia year 2026, and in conjunction to Visit Malaysia year we are also launching Penang Inspiring Meetings, which is a campaign alongside with Visit Malaysia year 2026. And this campaign basically showcases an experiential meeting. What we are trying to emphasize is conventions, meetings and exhibitions are always fun. It is fun because the destination has got various options and excitements to offer alongside with the Visit Malaysia year 2026 campaign.
How many states? How many states? कितने राज्यों में ये टूरिस्ट पैकेज चल रहा है?
So how many road shows are we doing?
Road show.
How many cities?
How many cities?
So we are doing 4 cities in India. We started off with Mumbai. We are here now in New Delhi. Then after this we are going to Kochi, and from Kochi the last stop will be Chennai.
Sir, apart from tourism, what opportunities does Penang offer trade, business or investment?
Okay, so Penang is the Silicon Valley, and having said that, there are more than 400 multinationals that are based out of Penang, and the sectors such as manufacturing, electrical, electronics, as well as medical science and pharmaceutical is very large in Penang. So not only will it contribute towards leisure, but also the key markets that are connecting these 2 destinations, Penang and India, where all these sectors and segments are concerned.
Road show.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm Johani Mamali. I'm the director for Tourism Malaysia in New Delhi. In fact, for the Simply Penang, I think like on the behalf of federal government, we are very welcome any state in Malaysia to come over and promote the state. Because like this year, we are promoting the Visit Malaysia. So it means we wanted people to come to Malaysia, no matter which state. But Penang have come up with a good initiative by coming here to promote itself on the Penang. Like for us, of course, in total we have 13 states. And then if I wanted to do presentation, it take me at least 13 hours, right, to promote all those states. But then with the initiative of Penang, it's very good. And then of course, for the tourism, like here in India, not only Malaysia are doing the promotion, other countries are also doing the promotion. So that's why on Tourism Malaysia, we always do this thing every year. Because we want to remind back to the Indian tourists, hey, Malaysia is one of the options to go for the vacation. Because when you don't do like this, people start forgetting about you.
What are the best of seasons? Weather season? What are the best weather?
On the weather season, actually.